Xiaomi's gaming-focused sub-brand, Black Shark, has recently made waves in the global market with the launch of its latest smartwatch, the Black Shark S1. This new wearable device is garnering attention not only for its impressive features, but also for its surprisingly affordable price tag, making it an attractive option for gamers and fitness enthusiasts alike. One of the standout features of the Black Shark S1 is its sleek and modern appearance. The watch boasts a round dial with a rotating crown, giving it a sophisticated appearance. The use of metal bezels enhances its durability and adds a touch of elegance to the overall look. The smartwatch is available exclusively in a black color option, giving it a stylish and understated appeal. Shark S1 is developed to be versatile and robust, with an IP68 rating that ensures it can withstand accidental splashes, and even some submersion in water, making it suitable for various outdoor activities and workouts. It's a smartwatch built to keep up with an active lifestyle. One of the key selling points of the Black Shark S1 is its impressive 1.43-inch AMOLED display. With a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels, a brightness level of 600 nits, and a smooth 60 Hz refresh rate, this display promises vibrant visuals and smooth animations. Moreover, the smartwatch offers an always-on display feature, and boasts a collection of over 100 watch faces, allowing users to customize their device to match their style and preferences. One of the standout features of the Black Shark S1 is its support for Bluetooth calling, a feature that sets it apart from many other smartwatches in its class. Xiaomi has integrated an environmental noise cancellation algorithm and a signal processing microphone, ensuring that calls made through the watch are crystal clear, even in noisy environments. This feature makes the smartwatch not only a fitness companion, but also a communication hub. In terms of fitness and health tracking, the Black Shark S1 excels. It can monitor and track over 100 different sports modes, providing users with valuable data and insights into their workouts and physical activities. Additionally, the watch boasts an impressive 10-day battery life under normal usage conditions, reducing the need for frequent charging and allowing users to focus on their fitness goals. To enhance the overall user experience, the Black Shark S1 can be seamlessly connected to the Sharkware app. This app offers accurate GPS tracking and provides periodic exercise reports, ensuring that users can keep a close eye on their progress and make informed decisions about their fitness routines. In addition to fitness features, the watch offers a range of essential functionalities, including a calculator, camera control, stopwatch, and message notifications. What truly sets the Black Shark S1 apart, though, is its remarkably affordable price point. Priced at just $50, this smartwatch manages to pack in a slew of impressive features without breaking the bank. It's a testament to Black Shark's commitment to making technology accessible to a wider audience. For those eager to get their hands on this budget-friendly gem, pre-orders can be placed directly on the official Black Shark website. This hassle-free ordering process ensures that customers can secure their Black Shark S1 with ease. In conclusion, the Black Shark S1 is a compelling addition to Xiaomi's Black Shark lineup, catering to both gaming enthusiasts and fitness-conscious individuals. With its affordable price, elegant appearance, impressive display, Bluetooth calling capability, and extensive fitness tracking features, it presents a strong option for those in search of a feature-rich and budget-friendly smartwatch. Whether you're gaming, working out, or staying connected, the Black Shark S1 is poised to offer a well-rounded and rewarding experience. Thank you for watching this video to the end. What do you have to say about the new gaming watch? Would you purchase yourself one? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.